Hi, hello, welcome to Ginny's channel. Today's poem A Little Bird Sees. A little bird sits ripe fruit on a tree and eats a tasty berry. The birds fly tall and the berry seeds falls. The rain have come, hurry let's run. Clouds, rain and sun. Our plant is born, a little one. And now a tree with branches long grows and birds song, crawling ants and spider webs, caterpillars with tiny legs, rich green leaves, life aplenty. The tree has fruits, some big, some small. Let us pluck them, but don't fall. Crows perch, squirrel runs, and sees the monkeys having fun. Strong branches with the pretty wings, strong branches with pretty swings. Our beautiful trees has so many things. By Pranab and Smita Chakravarti. Thank you.